Okay, dude. So this video is going to be about the corrections of this essay which you have written. Yeah, it's mostly correct. Just a few grammatical mistakes which I need to correct. Otherwise, most of the thing is good. Yeah. So the first thing which I can see is that just like a coin which has two sides, such situations also have an advantage. Just like a coin, you don't have to write which has two sides. Just like a coin has two sides, you don't have to write which. Okay, just like a coin has two sides, such situations. What do you mean by such? Yes, you need to write the entire thing. Just like a coin has two sides. Yes, a classroom without a teacher has both advantages and disadvantages. Okay, so you can't write such situations. I repeat what you're writing. Yes, just like a coin has two sides, a classroom without a teacher also has advantages and disadvantages. Okay, so and after this next thing, wait. So the next thing which I can see over here is this line which you have written. Teachers are person who let their children grow up and get trophies, medals, etc. This sentence, change it a bit and write down teachers are, don't write down person, write down people. Okay, teachers are people who let their children grow up. Don't write let their children grow up, write down teachers are people who educate their children. Yes, don't write educate their children, write educate the children. Okay, so teachers educate the children. Yes, teachers educate the children and help them get trophies, medals, etc. Yes, apart from this, it is correct. Teachers are also like parents. If there is a teacher in a class, the student does not shout, roam around the class, etc. Yes, this is also correct. Our classroom is as huge as a playground. There are 40 chairs and tables in a class. Don't write down in our class, write down our instead of a. There are so pretty projects. Don't write down pretty. There are many beautiful. Yes, there are many beautiful. Write down there are many beautiful projects around the class. Okay, so this sentence will be don't write there are so pretty projects, etc. Write down there are many beautiful projects around the class. Okay, next we move on to the next portion, which is this. A classroom is only complete. Don't write down completely. A classroom is complete if both the students and children are present. Okay, so this sentence you need to change a bit. A classroom is present. Sorry, a classroom is, don't write only completely, write down a classroom is complete. A classroom, so instead of this sentence you will write a classroom is complete only if both the students and teachers are present. Okay, it won't be is present, it will be are present, because students and then teachers. Yes, so more than two people. Yes, sorry, more than one people, and more than one people means what? Plural. And wherever there is, you're using plural things, you're supposed to use are and not is. Okay, a classroom is complete only if both students and teachers are present. If one is missing, then it is not a complete class. A classroom without a teacher is a mess or an heaven. No, I am not having a classing teacher right now. Yes, I like a teacher in a class. Yes, so uh, this line a classroom without a teacher is a mess or a heaven, right? Means this can be written in a better way, that a classroom without a teacher can be a mess. Sorry, can be a mess, as well as well as as well as heaven. Yes, a classroom without a teacher can be a mess as well as a heaven. Yes, and this sentence is a bit wrong. No, I am not having a classing teacher right now. Don't write this. Write down no, this thing. Right now I don't have a this thing. What is the question which is asked in that PDF? They are asking you. They are asking you that are you having a class without a teacher now? So you will write no, I am not having a class without a teacher. Okay, a class without a teacher, you need to write it like this. You have written classing teacher. Yes, that is a bit wrong. Yes, and this one and final sentence is correct. Yes, I like a teacher in a class, but before that too you had written no, I don't like the teacher in a class. Yeah, anyway, so these are the corrections which you need to make in this essay. Otherwise most of it is good.